Hi, I'm Fernando. My IT career started basically when I was 12 years old.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
When people ask me how I got started with IT, with technology, I have to go back when I was about 11, 12 years old. That's the time where I remember that my father bought me my first computer, and it was a Tandy Color Computer 2. This was probably in 1980, maybe 81. And at that time, it was one of the first computers that come out for the consumer market, and it was a pretty big deal. I lived in the Dominican Republic at that age, and so I was the kid in the block that had the computer. I was very popular because of that, because not a lot of kids at that time in the area could afford a computer, and my father used to work in the States, and he used to travel back and forth, and he can afford it to buy me a computer, and I got a computer, and that basically was my introduction to technology and computers. Before that, I remember this was the 80s, so this was really when the IBM PC started to come out in the market, and it was a very new thing. So it was cutting edge, and you know, if you see what it is now, it's really not a big deal. Your cell phone, your smartphone is more powerful than any of those computers back in the days. So I really appreciate my father for giving me that gift. It was a sacrifice, I know, to get it, and as a kid I took advantage of it a lot. I played a lot of games, but I also learned about the ins and outs of computer, and that opened the doors to other things in that area. And I made a lot of friends because of that, and it's something that carries on until today. So that's my origins with technology. So with that, I can only say to you, if you're a parent, be open, listen to what your kids are interested in. Maybe they're interested in something that you're not interested in. Maybe they're interested in something that you don't even know about, and it's actually becoming popular. Pay close attention, because things change rapidly, and now technology changes so fast, and what your kids learn about today could be what they're doing in the future. So be open, even if you don't understand it. Support them, and if you can help them learn and apply what they're learning, more power to you, because you never know how things turn out in the future, and the gift that you give them today could be something that they're going to treasure for the rest of their lives. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found some value in this. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment below. Put me some comment below, and I'll start a conversation. Definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my future content, and I'll see you on the next one.